Hi, how's it going? Everything under control?
Oh, I'm beginning to panic a bit. The rice and beans are done. They're cooking now. That's for Jamie. He's vegetarian.
Yeah.
I need to grill the meat, and I need to make the Guasacaca. Oh dear, and I wanted to have a shower. I'm so hot.
What time are they coming?
I told them 8 o'clock. I hope they're late.
Don't panic. You've got plenty of time. What can I do to help? What's whatever it was?
Guasacaca. It's like a salad sort of thing with avocados and herbs. It goes with the meat.
Well, why don't you tell me what to do and I'll make it while you have a shower?
Oh, okay, thanks. You're an angel. You need an onion, some green pepper, some red pepper, some garlic, some parsley. And you chop it all up in quite small pieces and put everything in a bowl. It's all here, look.
Okay, I'll start chopping. How much garlic?
3 of those. What do you call them? The small parts of garlic?
Cloves? You mean cloves? 3 of these?
Yes, that's right.
Then what?
Then you put it in a bowl with olive oil, vinegar, a little sugar and some chili powder. Oh, and some salt.
And what about the avocado?
Oh, you add that at the end. There are 2 avocados in the fridge. You mash one, you know, with a fork, so it's like a paste. And the other one you just chop, so it's in pieces.
I think I can manage that. And then I add the avocados to the stuff in the bowl.
Yes, and put it in the fridge.
Right, no problem. You go and make yourself look beautiful.
Hi. Here we are.
Oh, hi, Henry.
Hi, Emily.
Hi, did you find it okay?
Yeah, it was easy. We brought a bottle of wine. It's white. It probably needs to go in the fridge. And we brought these too, for you.
Oh, that's very kind of you. I love chocolate. Thanks.
Can we put our coats somewhere?
Oh, you can put them in my room.
Here, I'll take them.
Well, sit down. Make yourselves at home.
Thanks. It's a nice place you've got here. Great kitchen, really big.
Thanks. Yes, we're very lucky. Now, what would you all like to drink? We've got wine. So here it is. Just help yourselves.
It looks delicious.
Oh, I hope so.
This is good. What's in it?
Rice and black beans, and onion and pepper, and some spices.
Delicious. Is this a traditional Venezuelan dinner then?
Well, in Venezuela we usually eat a big meal for lunch and have a smaller meal in the evening. But yes, it's a traditional meal, nearly. We should have fried, I don't know the word. They're like bananas, big, hard bananas.
Plantains? They look like bananas.
Yes, maybe plantains. Anyway, I couldn't find any, but everything else is traditional.
Hey, we forgot the music.
Oh, no.
Henry, do you want to come and choose something? I'll show you where the CDs are.
Sure.
My room's just through here on the right.
Wow, it's massive, much faster than ours.
I know, I'm really lucky.
Well, here we are then. Just the 2 of us.
Yes.